how and why calibrated monitors are so important in filmmaking and content creation. I don't know if you've ever experienced this. You've made a piece of video or photographic content and posted it online, and then you're with your friends and family and they decide to check out your content. And you look at it on their screens and it looks different than it did on your screen. And you're like, no, this isn't what it's supposed to look like. It looked way better on my screen. Could be your screen that was the problem. Could be their screen that was the problem. There's no real way to know without comparing it to a bunch of other people's screens, but that has its own problems as well. We'll get more into that later. The best way to know for sure is to have a calibrated monitor. Just as a side note, iPads and a lot of our phone screens nowadays are actually pretty serviceable as budget monitoring devices. Just make sure your blue light blocker and any non-standard screen settings are turned off, and look at the screen in a dim lit room with your brightness at like 60% or so. Don't go, on the extremes of either too bright or too dark. Anyway, colorimetry, just like any other science, has been standardized for ubiquitous use around the world. We have defined metrics and measurements to keep things consistent. And we're not even gonna get into the fact that people's brains vary in perception and preference cross-culturally and somewhat subjectively. We'll get into that in a later video, so stay tuned. And so, in an effort to reduce variability in perception, we color grade with calibrated monitors. Now, if this is just a silly TikTok of you and your friends joking around or whatever, it's probably not that big of a deal. But if it's a food video or a health and wellness video or a brand video, and the food or your skin or the brand colors look off or weird, it can ruin your messaging. Nobody is going to want to take health advice from somebody with sallow looking skin, even if on your screen, the skin looked fine. Now, shout out to Cullen Kelly, who I stole this from, so let's go over here. Imagine you have a dartboard that represents variability in worldwide screen image rendering. We're going to represent this with a color wheel. One person's screen may look a little more green than another person's whose screen looks a little more magenta. So take our example from earlier with a health and wellness video. On your screen, here, the skin looked fine, but on most other people's screens, your skin appears sickly and green. Your screens are this far apart. Now, sometimes you'll get lucky and you and all the people around you, your screens are all kind of off in the same way. But somewhere else, there's a bunch of people whose screens are all off in a different way. And these people are gonna think that your video looks too magenta or whatever. Calibrated monitor puts your screen right in the middle and reduces the average possible variance of image rendition between you and other people's screens to a minimum. On top of that, there's different popular screen technologies. We're not even gonna get into projectors right now. So right now we have LCD and OLED. This changes not only how the screens render colors, but how they render contrast. So how bright do they make the bright parts? How dark do they make the dark parts? And everything in between. So we have to choose, do we optimize for LCD, for OLED, or somewhere in the middle? Nowadays, I always optimize for OLED personally. I think OLED or some contemporary form of OLED is the future. It's what our phones use, and it's what most high-end TVs and monitors are using nowadays too. So sometimes I'll have a client that'll tell me, it looks great on my phone, but when I watch it on the TV in my living room, everything looks really light and colorless, or washed out as we call it. And yeah, that's just the way it goes. They might have picked up a cheap TV from Costco or gotten a hand-me-down or something like that. Their screen is not accurate. And I know this because my screens are. On top of that, I'm using scopes to confirm what I'm seeing. And that's how and why calibrated monitors are important. If you're doing some sort of color critical work, consider buying a calibrated monitor, a calibration device, or hiring a calibration service. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos about how we keep our clients' videos looking fantastic on the most screens possible, and budget monitoring options that work really well nowadays.